In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move items between boards. If you work with boards to manage tasks, projects, or ideas, there are times when an item simply belongs elsewhere. Maybe it graduated from planning into production, or it needs to switch teams. The good news is that moving an item is quick, and doing it properly keeps your workspace clean and your teammates aligned. Start on the board where the item currently lives. Find the item you want to move. This could be a card, task, or ticket, depending on what your tool calls it. Click it to select it. In many apps, a single click highlights the item, while a second click opens its details. Either way, the goal is to make sure the system knows exactly which item you intend to move. If your board is busy, use the search or filter bar to zero in on it by title, assignee, or tag. You'll also want to be signed in with access to both the current board and the destination board so the move goes through smoothly. With the item selected, open its menu and choose Move to another board. You'll usually find this option under a three-dot menu on the card, a right-click context menu, or a toolbar button inside the item's detail view. The wording can vary slightly from platform to platform, but look for the explicit option that mentions moving to a different board, not just rearranging within the same board. When you select it, the system prepares the item and gets ready to ask where it should go next. Now pick the destination board and confirm. A list or search field will appear, letting you select the board you want. Some tools will also show additional placement options, like which list, column, or group on that board the item should land in, right before you confirm. Once you've chosen the spot, click the Confirm or Move button. The item is then relocated to the destination board and removed from the original, keeping a single source of truth. In most setups, the item's core details, such as title, description, attachments, and comments, go along with it. If the destination board uses different fields or statuses, the system may align those automatically or leave them blank, which is normal. That's all there is to it. Select the item, choose Move to another board, then pick the destination and confirm. This simple workflow helps you keep work organized as priorities shift and projects evolve.